There's no getting around the fact that long and luscious eyelashes can enhance a woman's beautiful eyes and boost her overall confidence. Keep reading to learn all about the best lash lift supplies of 2022. Lash Lift Rod Glue. When it comes to the best lash lift supplies, you can't go without Lash Stuff's Lash Lift Rod Glue. This tool is employed during a crucial step in the lash lift process. Depending on the degree of curl you want on your eyelashes, lash lift rods come in various sizes, including small, medium, and large. The small lash lift rod allows for the tightest curl, while the medium-sized one is perfect for getting lashes that aren't too curled, but also not too flat either. The large rod is perfect for people who want to have lifted lashes that aren't too obvious and look more natural overall. Of course, the rods won't work well if you don't use reliable glue. That's where Lash Stuff's brand of Lash Lift Rod Glue comes in. Unlike other glues, this brand is designed with strength in mind so that you won't have eyelashes that come loose during the lifting process. For the best experience possible, it's best to twist the glue wand so that the excess glue rubs off against the rim of the bottle. Not only will this give you more glue to use during future lifts, but the glue that's left on the rod will be much more practical. KERATIN Eyelash Conditioner. If you want to complete your lash lifting supplies, then pick up one or more bottles of Lash Stuff's amazing eyelash conditioner. After all, you shouldn't rely 100% on enhancing products. Rather, this conditioner can help make your natural lashes grow long and strong. The secret ingredient is keratin, which is something that's found in hair and nails, making it safe and natural. It's a protein made from almost 20 different kinds of amino acids. In fact, it's proven to encourage hair growth in both men and women. Not only does the eyelash conditioner promote healthy growth, but it also allows the results to last longer than they would otherwise. In general, you can expect your lash lifts to last for around 4 to 6 weeks. With that in mind, your lashes can last 2 weeks longer or even more if you remember to keep your eyelash conditioner handy each time. Eyelash Lift Cream. There are 2 types of creams that you should know about. The first is the perming cream, which can work wonders when you combine it with the other lash lifting products. When applied in the right way, the perming cream can give you a lash lift that lasts for as long as 8 weeks. The other type of cream is known as neutralizing cream. This cream goes hand in hand with the perming type to make sure your lashes are molded and lifted in the exact way you want. The texture of the cream is often on the thicker side so that it's much easier to apply. The best kit. The Eyelash Lift Kit with Keratin by Lash Stuff is one of the best kits on the market. Not only can you get a limited Mega Lash Lift Rod Glue with your purchase, but the kit also comes with free professional eyelash lift training. This is held online so that you can do it from the comfort of your own bed if you'd like. Overall, the eyelash lifting kit has the Lash Stuff supplies mentioned above, as well as other convenient products, including micro-pore surgical tape, and even a bag to carry your products. We're proud to offer you the best beauty supplies on the market. From lashes and eyebrow wax to peel masks and apparel, lots of customers have fallen in love with our stock. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.